Hi. I accidentally used Drano Power Gel in my toilet, before reading that it shouldn't be used in toilets. Is there any risk? What can I do to solve the issue? My toilet isn't clogged and I have already flushed the toilet a few times since pouring the product in.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
An hour.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have not used any other product in the toilet since pouring Drano.
Hello, I'm Bobby. I can help you today with your issue. Give me 1 second and allow me time to type it all out. By the way, was that Drano Max that you used or just regular Drano? Even Drano says you shouldn't use their typical clog cleaner for a toilet. Drano uses caustic or oxidizing chemicals, like lye, to dissolve whatever is clogging a drain. The chemical reaction between the clog and Drano creates heat. Now, Drano does not clear a clog instantly.
Hi. Unfortunately, I live in Germany since a few months and don't speak fluent German yet, which is why I did not understand the whole label. I don't think it was Drano Max as I don't see that written anywhere. I'll add a photo of the product. Not sure if this wasn't clear before, but I've only used the product once today. I had never used it before that.
Max is made for toilets, that's why I was asking. If there wasn't a clog, you will be fine if it flushed fine.
It flushes fine, yes. So I understand correctly that there's nothing more to do. Apart from never using this product again in my toilet, thanks for your swift help.
If you have flushed it several times and flushed the other drains in TBE house. Yes, you are correct. Really nothing more.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.